short video for the full engine rebuild of VW Golf MK1. I just want to show you how it was before and how it looks now. Basically, it's not a long video or something major, so take your seat, enjoy the video, and thanks for watching. It doesn't look good. You can see that it's already like a silver color, but we see probably most likely it's gonna be the piston bearings, which is not a big problem. And soon we're gonna take the head off, and that's it. Check how it's doing there. Head gasket, then the block going for painting, and that's it. Reassembling all the seals new, everything new, and putting back together. And the head gasket, you can see that it was blowing compression. This one is nice, and that one as well. So basically on the other side don't look great again. The center of them is okay, but the first and second so yeah. The head, you can see the marks on the head as well. Well, it's got to go for skimming. So the pistons out and the bearings, they are not too good, but the main thing is okay because they're not being completely knocking, so which is good. So that's number 4, number 3, 2 and 1. The camshaft is, wow, maybe need to be polished, but it's not necessary. Like, I think it's still good enough to do just a new bearings. Right, and next I'm gonna take the main bearings to see how they're doing. So that's the first, second, third, fourth. The rings still okay, but I need to take them off just to see how good they are, the gap, the clearance, and maybe I'm gonna do the off cylinder turning. Don't look bad, but can be done just a little bit. Anyway, just everything off. So yeah. First one is like brand new, second one is got a little bit damaged, the third and fourth is scratched quite a lot, and the last one is not too bad. So basically crankshaft, these two is got to be polished. Oh no, sorry, these two, they got to be polished. Otherwise it's not too bad. So yeah, we're going to polishing new piston and main bearings, and then the new valve seals, and that's it. So the head gasket, all the skimmit, and take the valve off for the valve steam seals to change it. to be changed, and I found this that the valve in quite bad condition, so that's basically gonna be done properly with the grinding pasta, and it's gonna be nice and shiny. Everything, as you can see now, is just rusty and bad state. So yeah. Engine head is being washed, clean it, and spray it. So tomorrow I start rebuilding the new seals and valves going back in, and then hopefully tomorrow the engine gonna be painted, and that's it. So that's the result. We need to get it. So basically this one is done, that one needs to be done, and the holes, as you can see, is much more cleaner, like it was before. So yeah, carry on. So that's how it looks, new piston rings. This is the oil one, and that's the old one. That's what I want to show, because stuck everything fully loaded with the oil, so it basically still was doing the job, but as you can see, they even groove full of burned oil. So pistons, I didn't take them nicely, I just break them down, so because they're going in a metal crap. So yeah, if anyone interested, that's how it's got to be fitted.
The problem here, though, is agreeing exactly how much. There are currently around 62 people in intensive care in Britain, give or take.
Okay.
Back in April, it was...
And the engine back from the spraying place. So now we're gonna do a little bit of honing of the cylinders, and then we're gonna start putting back together. So of course I'm not gonna show the process, how is it going to be done, but one of the tools gonna be used, this basically the engine head is done, ready to go on the top of the engine, and that's it. It's time for the crankshaft to get placed in this place. So basically this is the new bearings, set of the new bearings. The crankshaft is ready. Polish it, beautiful. So yes, here we go. The last bearing going on, I've done it, the 4 of them, so that's the 5th one. Obviously you must use the lubricant for the bearings, that make sure until you're gonna get oil, so you can spin free and no damage any bearings anymore. So basically I'm using Lucas. I can recommend this for everyone. It's definitely very, very good stuff. And yeah, so basically crankshaft polishing and standard size, original sizes of the bearings, it suits perfectly, as the crankshaft spins free, so which is very good. It's got this position. Of course it's still not tied it up, but I done it by hand as this one, until I'm gonna need to do the torque. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna find the correct way of the tightening up, and that's what I'm gonna do next. it. So basically it does spinning very easy, smoothly, which is good. So yeah, I'm gonna, next step is tidying up the main bearings, then cleaning up the pistons, changing new piston rings, and then placing the pistons in place. So yeah, good fun. So I did one piston, changing the piston rings and cleaning up. So that's how it looks like. It was before, and then all of them is going to be the same as this. So new piston rings. This is the old ones. Yep. And the top camshaft going on in this place. Everything has been oiled properly with this special oil, Lucas assembly loop. So yeah. So the pistons are back, everything, the pump, oil pump is back. So I'll clean all the surface, and I'm closing down now with the oil sump. Turn around the engine, start working from the top. The head is in place, all the new bolts being set up, and gasket. Probably not really visible. Yep. And then that's the way it's got to be tied in it, if anyone interested. Okay, so carry on doing other stuff. So all the manifolds, the water pump, oil filters, switches, distributors, stuff like that. So the timing is in place, engine is almost finished, is like 90% finished. Basically waiting for the new studs, for the exhaust, studs and nuts as well. New timing been fitted, new everything basically is new. I don't know what to say, to be honest. It's almost there, just left to do this now. So waiting for the new front wings. Once we're gonna receive the front wings, we're gonna set up the front panel, and then all the rust has been sorted, treated well, so there is no rust like you have to go through the metal. It's just on a very top a little bit, so which is not a big problem, which is good as well. So in a few weeks time it's going to be painted engine bay, and then this beauty will take his place where it was before. So that's it for now.